In today's world, many individuals aspire to achieve financial stability and go beyond mere financial security. Whether their goals involve starting a business, becoming a leader, or making smart investments, the desire to accumulate wealth is a common aspiration. While some may view getting rich as an unattainable dream, the truth is that anyone can achieve it with the right set of skills. So today, I'll take you to getting rich fast using skills you already have. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Motivation. Waiting for opportunities to come knocking at your door is not a viable strategy for wealth accumulation. Instead, individuals need to be more proactive, constantly working towards their financial goals. Motivation plays a crucial role in progressing towards wealth and maintaining focus. Lacking motivation can lead to abandoned goals and premature surrender. To boost motivation, individuals should prioritize self-care, including adequate sleep, proper nutrition, and short breaks. Setting achievable goals, cultivating a positive mindset, and self-encouragement are vital aspects of staying motivated. In the journey to wealth, disappointments are common, and it is crucial to be self-motivated to overcome the mental obstacles that may hinder progress. Number 2. Making good investments. One crucial skill for achieving wealth is the ability to make sound investments. By making wise investment decisions, individuals can passively grow their money while focusing on other projects. Acquiring the knowledge and skills necessary to make these decisions may seem challenging, but numerous online resources provide step-by-step guides to identify suitable investments. These platforms offer training and guidance, empowering individuals to grow their wealth and eventually own valuable assets such as properties. Number 3. Great communication. An essential skill shared by many successful millionaires is excellent communication. Effective communication enables individuals to persuade and convince others to collaborate, invest in their ventures, or provide valuable connections that can accelerate their path to wealth. It is imperative to be a proficient verbal and written communicator, capable of captivating audiences and delivering impactful presentations. Developing strong communication skills involves practicing regularly, seeking feedback, observing effective communicators, and honing active listening skills. Number 4. Decision making. To accumulate wealth within a lifetime, one must possess the skill of making prompt decisions that consistently yield favorable outcomes. Indecision or wavering can lead to missed opportunities, potentially causing the loss of a promising investment or business venture. Moreover, individuals must stay well informed about their investments and industry to make informed decisions consistently. To enhance decision-making abilities, aspiring entrepreneurs should actively seek leadership opportunities, create decision-making frameworks, and seek advice from experienced professionals. Conducting thorough research on the industry and financial climate is also critical. Number 5. Emotional intelligence. Becoming rich requires more than theoretical knowledge or formulas. It involves understanding how people think and what they need or desire. Emotional intelligence becomes a vital tool in both business and life. Being rich is not about regurgitating information, but rather connecting the dots in the real world and finding innovative ways to build a business based on those connections. Number 6. Discipline. Discipline is the unwavering commitment to stay true to your vision and prioritize essential tasks that contribute to long-term success. It requires the resilience to overcome obstacles encountered on the journey towards wealth. With discipline, you resist the allure of short-term gratification and instead focus on taking consistent steps that align with your goals. By closing the gap between your current reality and your desired outcome, discipline becomes the driving force that propels you forward on the path to financial abundance. Number 7. Organization. Being highly organized is paramount for wealth accumulation, enabling individuals to monitor their financial status, manage important documents, and meet deadlines. Techniques for improving organization include maintaining a tidy workspace, documenting vital information in accessible locations, focusing on one task at a time, and establishing daily priorities. For individuals lacking natural organizational skills, various digital tools and software applications such as calendar and note-taking apps can provide assistance. Number 8. Confidence. To achieve the level of wealth one has always dreamed of, confidence is essential. Confidence aids in securing promotions, believing in one's ability to start a business, and networking with influential individuals, which is pivotal to future success. Belief in one's potential to become rich is paramount. Boosting confidence can be accomplished by focusing on achievements and talents, surrounding oneself with supportive individuals, and prioritizing physical well-being through a healthy diet and regular exercise. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the Thrive Wise love so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 9, willpower. Contrary to popular belief, willpower is a skill that can be developed and is vital for those striving to accumulate wealth. Willpower prevents impulsive spending on frivolous items and work hand in hand with resilience, enabling individuals to overcome initial challenges that may seem insurmountable. Willpower provides the tools necessary to persevere and avoid short-term gratification that can undermine long-term goals. Strategies for strengthening willpower include frequent self-rewards, removing temptations, and visualizing desired outcomes. Number 10. Ability to learn continuously. In a rapidly evolving world, the ability to continuously learn is crucial for individuals seeking wealth. Keeping up with advancements and industry progress is essential for making informed investment decisions and running a modern, forward-thinking business. Engaging with journals, industry publications, and online resources can help individuals stay updated and develop their research skills. Understanding your learning style, making learning interesting, and learning from others and authoritative sources are strategies to enhance continuous learning. Number 11. Reading. Reading is a key habit of successful individuals on the path to wealth. It serves as a gateway to a wealth of information and insights, enabling individuals to expand their knowledge across various subjects. By actively engaging with literature that aligns with their goals, they gain valuable insights that propel them forward in their journey. Whether it's books on personal finance, business strategies, or self-improvement, reading equips individuals with the knowledge and perspectives necessary to make informed decisions and take calculated steps towards financial success. Embracing reading as a habit, it becomes a powerful tool in unlocking the doors to wealth and achieving long-term prosperity. Number 12. Play the long game. Many of our actions are driven by immediate outcomes, like how we study for exams and prioritize a good night's sleep rather than studying, so we could have a productive day ahead. While these short-term efforts are important, long-term success requires playing the long game. It may be difficult to grasp the impact of your actions 10 years from now, but time passes swiftly. Taking action today with a focus on building a brighter future lays the foundation for lasting success. Number 13. Financial management. Sound financial management is crucial for long-term success. If one struggles with handling small finances, effectively managing substantial wealth becomes even more challenging. The ability to budget, make prudent financial decisions, and live within one's means is a hallmark skill of the wealthy. Exploring resources and educational materials on financial management can equip individuals with the necessary skills to handle their wealth wisely. Number 14. How to sell. Selling is a fundamental aspect of achieving success. It involves rationalized persuasion, demonstrating that what we offer is worth exchanging for monetary value. People willingly part with their money only when they perceive greater value in what they receive. Learning the art of selling is indispensable for those seeking to make their mark and achieve financial prosperity. And finally, number 15, maintaining focus. In today's technology-driven world, maintaining focus has become increasingly challenging. With numerous distractions vying for our attention, it can be tempting to prioritize short-term gratification over pursuing long-term goals. However, consistently succumbing to momentary pleasures often leads to a life of mediocrity. To achieve lasting success, it is essential to prioritize our goals and resist the allure of fleeting distractions. In conclusion, your journey towards wealth is intrinsically tied to your skill set and how you leverage it. The combination of soft skills such as leadership, communication, and decision-making, along with hard skills like financial management and selling, can make a significant difference in your financial stability and future prosperity. Even if you feel lacking in certain skills, there are ample opportunities to enhance your skill set. Engaging in relevant courses, actively practicing and refining your abilities, and embracing continuous learning can empower you to acquire the necessary skills for financial success. Becoming wealthy requires dedication and hard work, as there are no overnight shortcuts or instant wealth buttons. However, by diligently developing and honing your skills, you can greatly improve your chances of achieving financial abundance. While many individuals aspire to be rich, only a select few are willing to invest the necessary effort and commitment. Your mindset, skills, and attitude towards wealth creation play a crucial role in your journey. By cultivating the essential skills discussed and adopting a determined and persevering mindset, you can position yourself for a prosperous and financially secure future. Well, that's basically getting rich fast using skills you already have. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.